In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A3x, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock, hitting agree and tapping on clock icon at the top left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom in the middle to adjust it. Firstly set up an hour, then hit repeat and tap on one of those options. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you decided to select custom, select days of the week and save them by hitting OK. Now choose ringtone to pick Add ringtone at the top and select any song from your smartphone, or select one of those melodies by clicking on a perfect one. Use this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable haptic feedback, and tap on label to name it. Then save it by hitting OK. Now you need to click on this check mark at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and tap on the same check mark. To delete it, you need to hold it and click on delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!